Fall is here and my kitchen smells like pure happiness. These gluten-free carrot muffins, soft, fluffy, and full of that cinnamon nutmeg warmth we all love. No refined sugar, no gluten, just guilt-free cozy goodness in every bite. And those carrots, they're not just sweet, they're packed with vitamin A and antioxidants for the natural glow. Fresh out of oven, they're golden, tender, and impossible to resist. These muffins are giving cafe vibes, minus the guilt. So grab your whisk, preheat that oven, and thank me later. This is your sign to bake today. Save this and follow for more.